time loop horror, monster, plus trauma. Have you watched this? Pelikulang kikilabutan ka anumang loop. Tara, let's dive in. Based on hit video game Until the Dawn, Paulus Clover, played by Ella Rubin, naghahanap sa nawawalang kapatid niya. Kasama yung barkada, trap sila sa time loop na bawat gabi may bagong monster or killer na hahabol sa kanila. Ang ganda ng atmosphere, creepy forest, disturbing monster, at super intense yung jump scare. Production design at gore on point, very cinematic. Pero pag fans ng games, may Easter egg like Peter Stormare's cameo na nakakatuwa talaga. Downside lang, may mga repetitive yung time loop sequence at may mga characters na medyo flat. Pero despite of that, solid yung pacing at yung tension enough to keep you hooked. So overall, Until the Dawn is a thrilling horror ride. Perfect kung gusto mo lang ma-stress in a good way. Pero for me, 7 out of 10. Would you survive a night in this loop? Ay it or deny it? Comment down below.